Welcome. If you've archived a bot in the Telegram app on your PC and want to bring it back into your main chat list, the process is quick and simple with the latest update. Let's walk through it step by step so you can find your bot and restore it in just a few seconds. First, open the Telegram application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account where the bot is located. Once the app is open, look to the left side where your chats are listed. Next, scroll all the way up in your chat list until you see the section labeled Archive Chats. This is where Telegram stores any conversations, bots included, that you've previously moved out of your main view. Click on Archive Chats to enter and see everything you've hidden. Now, take a moment to look through the archived list and locate the bot you want to bring back. You can identify it by its name or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you spot the bot, move your cursor over its chat. Here comes the key step. Right-click on the bot's chat. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Unarchive. As soon as you click it, Telegram will move the bot right back to your regular chat list, ready for you to use instantly. That's all there is to it. No complicated settings, no long process, just a few quick clicks, and your bot is back where you can easily access it. Whether you accidentally archived it or just want to start interacting with it again, this method works every time. With the new update, Telegram has made managing archived content smooth and intuitive. So if you ever want to tidy up your chat list but still keep bots and conversations within reach, archiving and unarchiving can be done effortlessly. Try it out the next time you need to reorganize your chats, and you'll see just how easy it is to bring a bot back into action.